everyone, my name is Rashail Anwar and today we are going to learn about science. Unit number 1, Cellular Organization. Part 1, National Book Foundation. So let's start. Can you identify something which is common in all of the following pictures? Yes, all of these are living things. All living things share same characteristics. They need food, they grow with the passage of time, they produce wastes and excrete them, they can move towards or away from things. They are sensitive to changes in their surroundings and they respond to these changes. They reproduce for the continuity of life. They respire to release energy from food. They are made up of cells. Cell. Do you know that your body is made up of trillions of tiny little units? In every given minute, many of these units are formed. Some die and many continue to do their jobs. Do you know what are they called? Cells are the building blocks of our bodies. All living things are made up of these tiny little units called cells. A cell is so small in size that you cannot look at it simply with your naked eye. You need microscope to observe a cell. Organisms like bacteria and amoeba are unicellular. Animals and plants are made up of many cells and are therefore called multicellular organisms. Activity 1.1 Onion membrane slide preparation. Materials: a thin onion membrane, microscopic glass slides, microscopic cover slips, a needle, dropper, methylene blue solution, water, microscope. Procedure: carefully cut a piece of thin onion membrane. Put a piece of this tissue on the glass side. Straighten it with the help of a needle. Add a drop of methylene blue solution to it. Methylene blue is a stain that helps to observe cells. Cover it with a cover slip. Observe under a microscope. Draw and label what you see. Cell structure. All living things are made up of basic units, for example, cells. Here, we will learn about the cells present in animals and plants. If we look at an animal and a plant cell under a microscope, we can see similarities and differences between them. Comparison of animal and plant cell. Similarities between an animal and a plant cell. Many parts of the cell are same in both animals and plants. Both have a cell membrane, cytoplasm and a nucleus. Cell membrane is a thin protective layer around the cell. It holds all parts of the cell together. It is a boundary with gates to control what moves in and out of the cell. Nucleus. Nucleus acts as the control center of the cell. It contains all information of the cell in its thread-like structure called chromosome. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a watery gel which fills the space between the cell membrane and the nucleus. All essential functions of the cell are performed in the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm contains many small structures called organelles. Cell organelles perform different jobs for the cell. There are many types of organelles in a cell. Some are common in both animal and plant cells. For example, mitochondria and ribosomes. Mitochondria break down the food to release energy and are therefore called the powerhouse of the cell. Ribosomes are very small organelles which are the factories of protein. Differences between an animal and plant cell. A plant cell has some unique features including cell wall. Cell wall is present outside the cell membrane of a cell. It is a hard and dead layer made up of cellulose. Cellulose is a large molecule which we cannot digest. It is a natural fiber found in plants. When we eat plants, the fiber acts like a broom to clean our intestines. Cell wall gives the plant cell a fixed shape. Animal cell is without cell wall. Chloroplast is a special organelle for photosynthesis, found in the green parts of plant. It contains a green pigment called chlorophyll. A chloroplast absorbs sunlight, carbon dioxide and water to make food and oxygen. It is not present in an animal cell. Vacuole. Vacuole stores different types of substances like water and salts if an abundance. Plant cells have a large center vacuole. A fluid-filled vacuole provides support from inside to the plant cell. It increases in size during plant growth. Animal cell has small vacuoles dispersed in the cytoplasm. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. Bye. See you in the next video.